Good morning guys, today I'm going to replace the roof cap and I'm going to put a reverse light LED for a back of my truck. So enjoy the video and like and subscribe.
So I put this cover inside, then I can put this one back. So I need to press it more. And then screw back. So that is super kind of perfect. Can see the LED light. So before and after, it will be super different.
It's darker, so it's nice, I think. So now it's changed on the dark. Maybe it's beauty. I don't know. Let's see. So now I want to change this LED light and LED light button.
So I'm putting the back light.
So I need to adjust it a little bit. Inside it.
And then there is a tool, you can move the tool. So the wire is too short, so I need to make it longer. Doesn't reach, it is too far away. So I need to buy and make it longer. I'll cut it over here. There's a wally over here, so I cut it over here and then make it longer. So I fed the line, I put it like this to reach over here. I'll not plug it now.
So that is for now.
I need longer wires,
So I fit inside the car. So I'm gonna open it down there. So I screw it away. So screw this one's going back, so it is too short. So I'll leave it somewhere else. That one too.
I need longer wires. So I fit this one out. So I take the cover out, so I can fit it out. So if you don't take a picture, you can match with this one. Maybe you can this one put in, or you can put in. So this wire goes like this. So you know which ones go which one. Black goes this on the sides of black and red. See, so we put it like this.
This thing, this one over here, open side, goes this side.
So I'm inserting now. Let me see real quick. Now it's broken for the black one. To hold it, only black one's broken, so I don't know. Hold it. If you want to take the turning out, you need to have a needle. So
I'm cutting from
over here
to make it longer.
new wires. I will weld them. So I've taped all the wires, the organoid, and then now I'm putting this cover off. I will arrange the wires. It's too big for this net, what I want to. And to arrange this cable, need to go over here. So I came here. So let's get off. So now I'm there. All the way down. Goes down.